Better fish, maybe. Oh yeah, little slab crappie. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Woo, slab-a-licious, baby. Hey there, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm up at Long Branch Lake in north central Missouri. I'm going to target some crappie, so if that's of interest to you, I hope you'll stick around. Let's go fishing. Alright, so I'm up here at Long Branch Lake. Like I said, I'm going to target some crappie. I'm going to try to use the Missouri fishing app again to locate a few brush piles. When I looked at the map before I got up here, there was only 5 or 6, maybe 7 brush piles on this lake that were annotated in that app, so not a whole lot. But I do know there's some standing timber in this lake as well, as I've been up here before, so we can target that if we need to. But you ever just have one of those days? I mean, clearly it's just beautiful out here, but I get up here this morning, start getting my GoPro set up and stuff, only to find out that I left my micro SD cards at home on my desk, where I last used them when I was editing the last video. So my 2 main GoPros, I do not have micro SD cards for them. I know, lesson learned. I need to keep extras in the boat. At this point, I just don't have that done yet. So I only have the micro SD card that's in the camera that you're watching right now. So I'm gonna have to end this in just a second, take that micro SD out and put it in one of the other cameras and try and film, but just not prepared this morning, so that's unfortunate. I should be able to still get some footage and hopefully be able to put a video together, but it's just been one of those mornings already so far. Beautiful out here though. You can kind of see some fog on the lake out here behind me, and like I said, sun's coming up over this way with some fog coming up over here too. So beautiful morning out here. I'm going to make the most of it. I've already committed myself to fishing today, so I'll do my best to bring you some good content, and yeah, we'll go from there. I'm gonna head off to the first spot, and I'll check back in with you then. Well, right species, wrong size. At least it's a crappie sitting on that brush pile down there. It's a cedar tree. Yeah, probably I don't know, 6-7 inch crappie. Pretty coloring on him though. Alright, let's get him back. Alright, been waiting on that first one. Fish. Ah, come off there. Well, another fairly small one, but they're biting a little bit. About the same size. Might even be the same fish. All right, let's get it back. That one definitely tapped it though. I definitely felt like it wanted it. Better fish, maybe. Oh yeah, little slab crappie. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Woo, slab-a-licious, baby. Slab-a-licious right there. Got a little wound on him down there. That's a good fish. That's every bit of 12 inches. Yes, sir. I might be at a point where I might keep a few today. Get the backbone on that thing. Yes, sir. Good fish. Really happy to have that one. Come right off that same brush pile. Oh, yes sir. I knew it definitely felt like a better fish. Actually saw that one hit on the graph. Little bitty old booger. About 5-inch crappie maybe. Alright guys, so I'm fixing to move to another brush pile. This one's been kind of slow. I have caught 4 or 5 crappie off of it, but the majority of them have been pretty small, anything from 4 to 7 inches maybe. Did catch that one nice one, but I'm fixing to relocate, so I'm going to go over here and pick up my little marker buoy that I use over this brush pile. I'm going to head on down the lake and find the next brush pile, see if we can't find some better fish there, so stick around. Alright guys, bit of an update. It's been pretty slow, to be honest with you. Not really sure why. I do know we had rain 3 and 4 days ago now. I let it try to let it settle down for a couple days before I came back out, but I'm not trying to make any excuses. It's just that may play a little bit of a role. But so I tried a couple more brush piles in this area. Didn't catch any fish off of them at all. I take that back. I think I caught one small one. I started hitting some standing timber over here and couldn't find anything. So I'm fixing to move back closer to where I first started, and I'll try another cove over there that I know's got some timber in it, and we'll see how we do. Stick around. Yeah, it's too small. Yeah, a bunch of small crappie out here. I can see them stacked up on the graph right here. I don't know if you can make them out or not, but I want to cast into them, see if there's any with any size in there. It looks like just these small ones. But it's been slow, so it's a crappie nonetheless, just the wrong size. Yeah, 4 or 5 inch crappie. Alright, didn't have the camera on, it was recharging or something, but anyway, caught another 7-inch crappie. Let it go. Yeah, still been a tough day. I'm just using my forward-facing sonar, my graph here, my Garmin, to locate any kind of brush on the bottom or any kind of stump, hump, anything like that. It might have some fish holding on it, and that's where that one came from. So still trying to grind it out. Hang in there, stick with me. Oh. Swear I'm trying to help you, bud. Oh, 7-inch crappie. Seeing a trend today for sure. And a good fish. Yes, sir. There we go. Well, now I've resorted to casting to a brush pile. Actually, the first brush pile I started out on today. And maybe they're wanting it moving more instead of just jigged up and down vertically. So this fish, see what we got here. It doesn't feel too big. That's a good fish. Yeah, keep. Yes, sir. Couldn't tell, wasn't fighting the best, but he fought a little bit. Another 10.5, 11-inch fish. Yes, sir. Oh, a small one. Saw a larger one actually go after my bead. Saw it on the graph. 5-inch fish. I don't know if you can make this out or not, but this is the brush pile. And there's definitely just crappie sitting in it like crazy. I'm just bringing my jig right across the top of it. Try not to go down there too deep and getting hung up. I'm just coming right across the top of it. You can see them coming out and investigating. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. So far it's working a little bit. There's one. Oh, come out of there. Like a decent fish here. Well, not too bad. Yes, sir. Right in the top of the mouth. That's a good fish. Now we're starting to catch some with size. It's good 10.5, 11 inches probably. Hey, found you another friend. Oh, he hit hard. Man, he ain't very big. I don't know what happened there unless I got into a limb just as he hit, but boy, it had a heck of a jerk. Little bitty fella. There's fish. Feel like a decent one. Oh yeah. Nice crappie. Yes, sir. Yeah, now I'm starting to get some pretty decent fish. This morning, boy, it was tough. Yeah, another pretty fish. Man, look at the coloring. Nothing at all wrong with that fish. Close to 11. Oh. go, little one. Oh, come out of there. Vertical jig that one. Went back on top of the brush pile and dropped it right in, and he hit that one. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, good fish. Oh, yes sir. Here we go. Another nice 10.5-inch fish. And it's all sitting right here on this one brush pile. So you would go out there and hit those brush piles. Here we are, about a week or so from October, late September, and just find these brush piles and find the ones that have some fish on them. You can either vertical jig down to them like I did on that last one, or you can sit back off the pile if they're a little bit spooky and cast to them. Any technique would work, but that's all I'm doing here is just hitting brush pile. Good fish. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Good slab. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Woohoo! Oh, yeah. That's dang close to 13 inches right there. I could tell when I saw him on the graft and when he came up to make a hit, I'm like, that's a big fish. Whew! Mercy. Oh, pliers are up here. Ah, yes, sir. Oh, man. All right, guys. Sorry for the abrupt ending, but I was probably within the last 30 or 45 minutes of the day when I was going to fish, and the GoPro overheated on me and it automatically shut down. So I had to take it off my chest mount and put it in my pocket for a little while and let it cool down. But anyway, I pulled off the lake about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I think I ended up with 8 or 10 nice crappie. So that was plenty. Caught a couple nice ones, a 12 or 2, maybe a 13-inch also, and several 10.5, maybe 11-inch crappie. So definitely a good day overall. Beautiful weather, can't complain about it. So, you know, there was quite a few small crappie that I had to weed through, but you know what, it's still fun catching them too. So it's not like you're gonna go out every day and catch slab after slab after slab. So anyway, had a great morning, and got everything packed up and fixed to head on back to the house. So got a lot of different content coming up, so make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, hit that notification bell, give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me. Leave me a comment, anything like that, and I'll keep putting content out, and hope you guys enjoy it. So until next time, y'all take care.